Let's be honest. Most apartments are not designed for plant lovers. You buy one plant, then another, and before you know it, every shelf is full, every window sill is crowded, and you are standing there wondering, where am I supposed to put my next plant? If you are a plant lover living in an apartment or a small home, you have probably faced these exact problems. But what if I told you that you might have a lot more space than you think? The secret is not finding more floor space. The secret is looking up. Today I am sharing 15 of the best hanging plants for apartment and small spaces. These plants can help you create a beautiful indoor jungle, make your apartment feel more cozy and welcoming, and more greenery without taking up valuable floor space. And make sure you stay until the end because I will also share a few beginner friendly options that are almost impossible to kill. So, whether you are just starting your plant journey or already have a growing collection, there is something here for everyone. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most popular hanging plants in the world, pothos. If I could recommend it, only one hanging plant for apartment, this would definitely be near the top of my list. Pothos is incredibly easy to care for, grows quickly, and create beautiful trailing vines that instantly make a room feel more alive. And one thing I love about pothos is that it works almost anywhere. Next plant is heartleaf philodendron. This plant has beautiful heart-shaped leaves and elegant trailing vines. It's perfect for apartments because it does not demand a lot of attention. And one thing many apartment owners struggle with is creating warmth in a space. Sometimes apartments can feel a little cold or empty. Spider plant have remained popular for decades and they are adaptable, beginner friendly and produce baby plants that hang beautifully from the mother plant. If you have ever wanted a plant collection that grows itself over time, and this is fantastic option. Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into someone else's apartment and immediately thought, wow, this place feels so cozy and relaxing? Chances are plants played a big role in creating that feeling, and plants don't just decorate a room, they completely change the atmosphere of a home. The next is string of pearls. This unique plant creates one of the most eye-catching hanging display you will ever see. Its pearl-like leaves spill down from basket and like a living waterfall. It's perfect for people who want something a little different. Next is English ivy. English ivy adds elegance and movement to indoor space, and its trailing vines can create a classic and a timeless look. And this plant works especially well near windows and hanging shelves. You know what is interesting? When most people move into an apartment, they usually focus on furniture first: a sofa, a bed, a dining table, maybe a few decorative items. But after everything is placed, many people still feel like something is missing. The apartment looks nice, but it does not feel alive. And that's where plants make such a huge difference. Sometimes a single hanging plant can completely change the mood of a room. Have you ever looked at a corner in your apartment and thought something feels empty here, but I don't know what it is? If so, you are definitely not alone. Many plant lovers discovered that greenery is often the missing piece. Next is Moro's tail. If you are looking for a plant that guests will immediately notice, Moro's tail is a great choice. It's thick, trailing stems create a unique appearance that's hard to ignore. Hoyas are becoming increasingly popular among plant lovers. Their waxy leaves and occasionally fragrant flowers make them both beautiful and rewarding to grow. And the best part, they often look far more expensive than the actual are. One thing I have learned from decoration with plants is that small space do not need fewer plants, they need smarter plant placement. Many people assume they cannot create a lush indoor garden because their apartment is too small, but sometimes all it takes is using vertical space, walls, shelves, ceiling hooks. Suddenly, you have room for far more plants than you thought possible. Have you ever felt like your apartment is too small for your plant collection? Let me know in the comments because I think many plant lovers can relate. This delicate trailing plant creates an elegant and romantic look. Yes, string of hearts. Its string of hearts is a beautiful plant and its heart-shaped leaves make it one of the most charming hanging plants alive available. Next is Boston Fern. Boston Fern adds the softness, texture, and fullness to a room, and they are excellent for creating a lush indoor atmosphere. Next is Swedish ivy. This fast growing plant works beautifully in a hanging basket and is easy to maintain, and its trailing growth quickly fill empty vertical space. Next plant is Tradescantia, known for its colorful foliage, and Tradescantia brings personality and visual interest to any apartment. And the purple and the green leaves create a striking contrast. And the next is fishbone cactus, and if you enjoy unusual plants you will love this one, and its zigzag shaped stems make it a conversation starter. Neon pothos. This bright variety of the pothos bring vibrant color into indoor space, and its glowing green leaves can brighten even the dullest corner. Next is Peperomia Hope. This compact trailing plant is ideal for small apartments and it remains manageable while still providing beautiful look. To finish our list, we have the beautiful chain of hearts and its delicate trailing vines create a graceful look that's a perfect for shelves and hanging baskets. It's a wonderful choice for adding elegance without taking up precious floor space. Now, I love to hear from you. If you could choose only one hanging plant for your apartment, which one would it be? And would you choose a classic pothos, a beautiful string of hearts, or maybe a lush Boston fern? Tell me in the comments, and I always enjoy hearing about your favorite plants. One of the best thing about the hanging plant is that they prove you don't need a large house to create a beautiful indoor garden, and even the smallest apartment can feel green, peaceful, and full of life when you use vertical space wisely. So whether you are a beginner or a long time plant lover, I hope today's list helped you discover a few new plants for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plants, inspirations, and apartment gardening ideas and home decor tips. Thank you so much for watching. Stay green, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.